guys, Handy Therapist here. Just wanted to show you guys how to prune or pinch off the ends of marigolds. So one of the reasons you want to do this is marigold's job is to create seeds. So once it creates a flower and then starts to die, those seed heads start falling out. If it gets to that point, it thinks its job is done. So all we do, find the old dead one here, go right below it, or kind of go right before it gets to the leaf, or kind of where it branches out here, and just pinch with your fingernails, just like that. Now with that off of there, it'll be encouraged to create more flowers and get a little bit of a bushier plant instead of just, you know, being done with its flower making. Just go along all these and pinch off the tips just below the flower.